When Maurice tells me to take out the trash, I just flip him the bird and tell him to kiss my ass. When Maurice turns around and asks me to pack out cigarettes, I flip him the bird and tell his ass that that's absurd. You heard? I'm sweating bullets behind the register at QC. Just to believe me, B. 85 degrees, at least it gots to be. Yo, how the fuck you gonna ask me to take out the trash? Motherfucker, you can kiss my ass. I'm flipping the bird, bro. Yo, come on, Maurice. Really? Seriously? Yo, if Maurice asks me to clean the bathroom, I flip him off and I tell him to get lost. When I'm behind the register and Maurice is packing out, I look at him and shout, fuck the fuck off, Maurice. Get to fucking work, Maurice. I'm sweating bullets in QC. Trust and believe me, B. 85 degrees, it gots to be. Motherfuckers, you can check yourselves out. Self-checkout, motherfucker. I'm on break, motherfucker. Maurice, don't try to play me out, cause if you do, I'll flip you the bird and tell you to fuck off. I can't believe this bullshit. When I see Maurice, I tell him to go fuck himself. I give him the finger, you heard? Yeah, guess what, bitch? Fuck off, Maurice. Get to work, motherfucker. Yeah, I don't get paid enough, motherfucker. Yeah, hell nah, I ain't taking out the trash. I flip him the bird and tell him to kiss my motherfucking ass. I'm sweating bullets, Maurice. It's hot as hell in QC, Maurice. If you think that I'ma sweep and mop, you got another thing coming, motherfucker. Fuck off, Maurice. I just flip him the bird. I'm the consistent. When I see him across the room, I just flip him the bird and tell him to fuck off. I get on the microphone and I say, hey Maurice, fuck off, Maurice, get to work, motherfucker. Yeah, representing QC all day, motherfucker. Don't get it twisted though, Maurice is the best. That's my nigga, but even though I still flip him the bird and tell him to fuck off, you heard? That's right, yo. When Maurice tells me to take out the trash, I give him the finger and tell him to kiss my motherfucking ass. When Maurice tells me to pack out cigarettes, I flip him the bird and tell his ass that that's absurd.